So this is the welcome kit from Infosys, and I will tell you how to get it and when you get it. Actually, what happened is that when you get the job in Infosys, they will not send you quickly. There is some procedure. They will take some time to send it. So I will tell you what they will give when you get the job in Infosys, and hopefully, if you are looking for the job in Infosys, so I will refer you on the basis of your qualification. You can send me your resume at the given email address that I have put in the description. So let's go and check what is in this box, and I will tell you the other things, so what they will give you. So let's go. So here is the box. So you can see that the pretty box, and this is also heavier one, so heavy, and you can see that this is here is the magnet. The box is so premium quality. Let's go and check what is inside it. So here you can see that first of all, here you will get a letter, welcome letter. This is the welcome letter, welcome aboard. And here is the diary, notebook, you can say. This is a good quality notebook. Here when you touch it, it feels like that you are touching a leather, so good quality. So this is the notebook, and you will get this, and this is the card holder, and it is made up of metal. You can see that this is also heavy, and here is a puzzle box type. This box, you can open it like this. This is the box. This is like a paperweight. Here you can open it like that. So this is it. This is the paperweight, and here a good quality pen. You can see that. And then here is the water bottle, Infosys. A very good quality water bottle, you can see that. And here is the opening button. Wow, this is good. This is very nice. Wow. So these things are in the Infosys gift welcome box. So let's close it quickly, and I will tell you what are the other things they will give. So here you can see that here is the laptop, that is HP ProBook. Here you can see that this is the HP ProBook, and it cost, I have checked, it cost you around 80,000. This is the 16 GB RAM, and the very cute one. This I think this is of 14-inch display, and you will get a mouse. This is mouse of HP, and you will get a bag, and also the charger is there, laptop charger. So these things you will get when you get the job in Infosys. You have seen that what is in the welcome kit. So these things Infosys has given to me. So, and there is no writing in email. There is no process of writing an email. They will provide you when the time is come. Actually, I have got this welcome kit after the 6 months, and got this laptop after my completing the training. So not need to write any email or external mail to give you the welcome kit. They will arrange these things automatically. So keep patience. If you get the job, then it will surely come to you. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and For today's video, this is over, and I will meet you next time with another video. I know that I am not able to communicate properly with you, so meet you next time. Take care. Bye. Jai Hind.